Yeah, hi. Hello everyone. We'll be discussing today regarding the reports and dashboards. So, my name is Anshuman Kumar, and yeah, let's start the class. So, what is a report? So, it is nothing but a tabular representation of data. We can get a list of records that meet the criteria you define. We can also group, filter, and even apply formulas to get required data, right? So, if you want to group a few data in the form of anything like in the form of class, you have many students and you want to group data in according to classes, so you can do that. You can even apply formulas, and we can even make graphs and charts from where we can drill down into the data, like to visually see the data and predict the trends. So these are all things we can do with the help of data, right? So now let me show you. So here we can see this is a report. So let me show you in a tabular format. So yeah, this is a report, accounts report, which I made just a few minutes back. You can see this is how it looks. Let's continue. So types of report. What are the types of reports? So there are various kinds of reports like tabular, summary, matrix, and joint report. So what is a tabular report? It's basically in the form of a spreadsheet or table where the data is saved in the form of rows and column. And what is summary report? So summary report, we can group data in summary report. We can basically group data in the form of rows also. And what is a matrix report? So in matrix report, we can group data in both ways, like in the form of rows and columns. So I can show you, like you can see here, I can group by row. So yeah, you can see like it is grouped by rows, right? So it's account owner. Let me change it to rating, so it will be better visible to all of you. Yeah, so you can see like it is grouped in rows, right? So also we can group it in columns, like we can use account owners. So yes, you can see now, right? And also we can add chart here to visualize the data. So yes, you can see here the chart, like a rating of each and every account, which is hot, which is warm, and how many of them are cold. So now let's continue. So whenever we create a report or dashboard, we determine who can view, manage, or edit it, and what data they can see. So how does this work? So basically, whenever we make a report and we save it, we can save it in the folders, which is public, private, or shared, with specific users to whomever you want to share. You can share, and you can even keep it public, that whoever wants to see that report or data, they can view it, or private, that only you will be able to see, only the user who has created the report, he will be able to see the report, right? So if you give a user access to a folder, they have access to the reports or dashboards in that folder, but that does not mean they get to see all the data. You can put security controls on the data in different ways. So I can show you as an example, like if I save it, so I can name it as a test report, right? So I can select a folder like created by me. You can see private report, public report, so it will be shared, right? If I select this folder, shared with me, created by me, so it will show me all the reports which I have created. So I have created none in this org, but you can see that like public reports, private reports, and shared with me. If I want, I can also keep it in all the folders, like here everyone will be able to see. And I can create a new folder for myself only, that whatever a report I want to create and to see for my own benefits, I can make it. So you have seen this. Now let's go back. Now, what is a dashboard? So it is basically graphical representation of data. And there are different ways in which we can represent data, like pie chart, bar graph, donut chart, meter chart, etc. So you can see dashboard. Let me see. see you, show you. Let me show you. Let me name it as test. Keep it in a public folder. So now, yes, so now it is saved, right? So even if you want, so now it is saved. So what we'll do, we'll go to the report, public. So it's test report, right? We can also edit it, add it to dashboard. Can make a new one. We can name it test report dashboard, folder private add. Now it depends on us that what component do we want to use. So like, see, you can see various components, meter, number, donut chart, etc. So these are the kinds of dashboards, different graphical representations of data which you can use, right? So I hope you have understood till now. So let's continue. So different types of dashboard. So there are two types of dashboard. One is static dashboard and another one is dynamic dashboard. Static dashboard is the dashboard like which you have seen right now, right? That we make a dashboard and we can see the see it in a graphic visually. We can visualize the data in various formats, right? Now what is dynamic dashboards, which keeps on changing with time to time to show the real time information. Like whenever we use a dynamic dashboard, so whenever in the backend there is some data, some amount of data which is added or which is subtracted from the table, then those metrics will be changing from time to time to show you the real time data, that what all activities are going on, right? Like if you are on a donor chart and from the section hot, there there is an increment of two more potential customers to hot, then it will be showing like previously it was 100, now it will be showing as 102. So I hope you do understand. Now, like reports, dashboards are also stored in folders like I've shown you just a few minutes back. So we can store it in various folders like public, private, or we can share it. So we can control the access also, that who all can control the content, etc. But note that to view the dashboard, one must have access to the underlying report. Like if you don't have access, of course, you'll not be able to see the data on the dashboard, right? That component, a related component, you'll not be able to see that. So that is a note you must keep in mind, that interviewer may ask that one is not able to see the dashboard data on the dashboard. So why is it so? And other people are able to see that. So one possibility is that the person, the user, is not having the access to the report. Okay. Now, each dashboard has a running user whose security settings determine which data to display to the dashboard's viewers, right? And the running user is always the logged in user, which means that viewers only see the dashboard data according to their own access levels. Like the data which you are seeing on your screen will depend on what access levels you have on those objects and data. So according to your access level, you will see the report in front of you. Like the manager will be able to see how many cases each uh, subordinate has done in the entire day, but you can see your own. And if you have given the access, then you will be able to see the cases of all your teammates. So I hope you understand the difference, right? So yeah, for today, this was the basic of what reports and dashboards are. And in the coming videos, I'll be teaching more and more about all the different types of reports, like summary, matrix, joint, etc. So yeah, till then, have a good day. Bye bye.